For today, let's look at this question from Turkey Junior Math Olympiad 2021. For this question, you're asked to find all positive integer pairs mn such that both 3n squared over m and square root of n squared plus m are integers. A hint for you, there are infinite many such pairs. Please have a good try before you look at the answer.
Pause the video now if you wish to solve it. Keep watching the video once ready.
Now first note that square root of m squared plus m is an integer. So I will let this integer to be m plus k. N squared plus m equals to n plus k squared. That is n squared plus 2nk plus k squared. And therefore this means that m is equals to 2nk plus k squared. Next, 3n squared over m is equals to 3n squared over 2nk plus k squared to be an integer p. So 3n squared equals to 2nkp plus pk squared. 3n squared minus 2kpn minus pk squared equals to 0. And we can treat this as a quadratic equation in n. So the discriminant equals to 4k squared p squared minus 4a and c. And this can be written as 2k squared times p squared plus 3p. Now since n is a positive integer, so the discriminant must be a perfect square. So I'll let this as 2k squared times r squared. So this means that p squared plus 3p equals to r squared. So p squared plus 3p equals to r squared. So 4p squared plus 12p equals to 4r squared. And this can be written as 2p plus 3 squared minus 9 equals to 4r squared. So 2p plus 3 squared minus 4r squared equals to 9. It means that 2p plus 3 plus 2r, 2p plus 3 minus 2r equals to 9. 9 can be written as 3 times 3 or 1 times 9. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment and subscribe. Now obviously it cannot be equal to 3 times 3. Otherwise, r will be equal to 0. r equals to 0 will imply p equals to 0, which is not possible. So this means that 2p plus 3 plus 2r, if r is positive, it will be of a greater value, say 9. And 2p plus 3 minus 2r equals to 1. If we take the difference, 4r equals to 8, r equals to 2. If r equals to 2, then p will equal to 1. And if p equals to 1, then we have m equals to 3n squared. M will be equals to 3n squared. It's obvious that m equals 3n squared is always possible because it means that 3n squared over m equals 1 and square root of n squared plus 3n squared, that will be equals to 2n. And now we prove that this indeed is the only solution. We write the answer as mn equals to t and 3t squared, where t is any positive integer. So that's all for today's discussion. I'll see you again next time. Bye bye.